The new transitions in Camtasia 2024. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so Camtasia 2024, the new transitions. So I went through and I had Camtasia 2023 and 2024 open, and I cross-referenced everything, and I actually jotted down and I wrote down by hand all of the new transitions, and I have made this beautiful slideshow for you here to show you all of the new transitions. Enjoy! Alright, so let's press play and check out the new transitions. Alright, so I'll have the name and then the transitions. That's accordion, that just came up. Angled line wipe, that was kind of cool. Sliders. I'm just going to pause. I feel like that would be cool if you changed it to your brand colors. I didn't particularly like those colors. And remember, if you see the colored ones, it means that you can change the colors to your own branding, which you should be doing. The next one, let's see what that looks like. Box iris. Oh, that was cool. Circle slice. That one I thought was cool. That was cool. Color spin door. Okay. Color wipe, regular. That could be cool with the correct colors. Ooh, that could be cool. Geometric slice. Interesting. I feel like that's on the border of cool, but maybe not so cool. Let's see the next one. Gradient door. That's a clean one. This one was interesting. That was a bunch of likes and hearts. I'm not sure if I'd be using that one. Maybe for like a fun video. Line wipe. That was clean. Very clean. No, I wouldn't use that. Slam shut. I probably wouldn't use that one. Sliding bars. That was cool. That one I thought was cool. Smileys. Again, that was a fun one. Not sure if I would use that one. Maybe for something fun, like with social media or something. Spinning color wipe. Probably not that one. Waves. And then that was the last one, waves. So let me show you some of my favorites here. Was it colors? Yeah, that one was cool. Like there's a circular motion happening, and then at the same time there's something happening there. So I like that one. And that one I don't really like. I think I see a lot of people using that one. That one's regular, and I don't like the color, so I definitely need to change that. Or color iris. I feel like this one could be cool with the correct colors. And you can even see that you could actually get a cool screenshot. So if I like had my face here and I didn't have this text and I had a cool background, you could probably get a cool photo. You could probably get some cool photos out of this. This is interesting. For color wipe. I feel like this also is a fun one. Like with the colors, it's very fun, almost childlike. I feel like, again, I would want to change the colors. And remember, you guys should too for your branding. Geometric slice. I feel like depending on what the transition is between the two videos, that it could be really cool, because right now it's looking kind of cool with the northern lights, which I saw, by the way, and then the mountains. Imagine if you had some triangle stuff, like a triangle photo. That would probably look pretty trippy and cool. Gradient doors, regular. The likes and loves. I'm on the fence with this one. I'm not sure if I like it. It's a little bit cheesy for me. But like I said, if I had something fun or funny, something more silly, I would probably use this. Probably not for, I wouldn't use it for the main. But I mean, it's all what your brand is, right? So I like this one. This one's nice and clean and sleek. Line wipe. I will probably use this one. Look at that border. Looks so good. Rolling squares. Nah. Slam shut, not really. Sliding bars, I thought that was cool. Smileys, probably wouldn't use the smileys. Again, maybe if it was like a silly video. Color wipe, not really. And then waves, I feel like could be interesting with the correct colors again. So those are all the transitions. Those are all the transitions in the new Camtasia 2024. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked my slideshow video that I made for you. I'll probably save 3 or 4 of these into my favorites so I can use them in the upcoming videos. So are you guys liking the new transitions? Did you upgrade to Camtasia 2024? Let me know down in the comments section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.